Hedeoneani wa sheki ya besha munene wa kambuni ya Rentco Africa Bosire Bonoko augete ni Gikeno okunyitandira na nyarari aya nigo kumahihinde ihuthu marathie kurirukia Bendera ya Kenya mwena wa Malawi kuona ati mari hakuhi gutira ni wagi wa besha.
Came across the Lakers Club, which was struggling to get funds to be able to go for the Africa Club Championships in Malawi, and we felt an obligation to ensure that we can be able to support these girls, to be able to represent the country, be able to carry the flag of Kenya to greater heights. So we have given them a sponsorship to be able to support them on their travel and also on other fine costs that of course arise from participating in such a tournament, and we have faith that the girls are going to represent us and themselves at the highest level.
Nyafara wa kirabu giki kia Lakers Austin Tuju augete marisheba gutungana na timu icio kuri ugete timu yake ni hariria kuigana ni mahumukete kuona ati ni mahumukete kuigana thutha wao akuhererio meciria makuria makuruta besha.
The first one was really a testing window. It was our first time and green-ons per se. But this time around it's a second phase, and we are more familiar with the teams we are going to meet. And one of them is our home team, if I might go with that. And we are ready psychologically and far much confident and composed with the support that we're receiving from Rentco and any other partner that is going to come on board. But right now, with the familiarity with the team, yes, we know, and we just pray that the players get there in the right psychological mindset and the morale to play.
Athaki mwena-ini wao ni maiketirita kuri mashabiki goko bururi-ini makimoria mamanyitire na kuria meranire kwandikithia maumirira mega.
We shall give our best to twiharirie wega muno, and one of the things turawa promise ni tugukana gikombe. We are working on becoming gukoro na bemwe riu iyo ni turawa promise ni tugukana gikombe. A ministry ni rahe funds ni rasaidia ona national teams ugoria mathiaga nja bururi ni rateithia ona ku keep this astroturfs amoria tuthakaga ni mo maratuteithia riu they play a big tugoka idwe hatu ya haya.
Lakers mare gikundini kia A hamwe na mabũrũri ta Ghana, Nigeria na timu ingĩ kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, Njau wa Njau.